Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a problem. It's a stain in our carpet. So we're going to use Barbasol. It's shaving cream. Obviously don't use the gel, but this shaving cream is that foaming shaving cream, and we're going to use it to get the stain out of the carpet. So here's my disclaimer. Test it on a small spot that's in an inconspicuous place, so that way you know that it's not going to damage your carpet before you do it in the middle of your floor on a big old spot, and then you message me and say, "You owe me new carpeting, Mr. Gizmo," because I'm going to say no. So anyways, what you're going to do is get the foaming one, and we're going to put it on this spot right here, where you can see that there's some pink stuff on there. This is my daughter's room. She claims she has no idea how this got here. I'm sure that's probably true. And we're going to put it on, and you're supposed to leave it on as long as you can, so we'll probably leave it on for a few hours, and then we're going to kind of massage it to get it out. We don't want to scrub it because you don't want to fray your carpeting. So here we go. So one thing that does pop into my head with this is I use this on my head as well. So it doesn't make me wonder what's in this when I'm shaving my head that now takes stains out of carpeting. Because, yeah, anyway. So we're going to do that. I'm going to work it in just a little bit just to get it in there, because obviously the stain's not on the surface, it's in the carpet. So I probably put a little bit too much on this spot, but hey, what do I know? So I'm just going to work it in there a little bit. And we're going to let it do its whatever magic to clean it. It smells nice too, which is really nice. So do that. It's worked in a little bit. There we go. And we're going to leave it sit. And then we're going to come back and see if it actually took the stain out of the carpet and go from there.
3 hours later.
Okay, so it's been a few hours, and you can see our shaving cream is still here. So I have a white cloth, and I'm going to basically take this and scoop up all the shaving cream as much as I can to get it off the floor, and then I'm going to wet my rag, rinse it out, and basically continue to clean it. So again, you don't want to scrub hard because you don't want to fray your carpeting. So we're going to see if this actually worked out for us, and we know it will, but let's just get the shaving cream off to start with. And then, like I said, I have a little bit of a wet cloth here, so I'm just going to kind of rub it in a little bit. Now if it's a good stain, like you want to use a toothbrush a little bit to kind of take up and get in there a little bit deeper, you can absolutely do that. So I'm just going to kind of work it in a little bit. And then I'm going to rinse my cloth out really well. And I'm going to come back through here and see if I can still see the stain. Okay, I'm going to rinse quick and we'll come back. Okay, so as you can see, our stain looks gone. So I'm going to work it in a little bit more. But again, work it in a little bit. I'm using my fingers to work it in, but you can use a toothbrush, or you want to use something soft bristled, of course. You don't want to go into it with a scouring pad or steel wool or anything that's going to ruin your carpeting. So you have to be a little bit cognizant of that. But there you go, and that's how shaving cream takes it off. And you can see that the stain now is gone, and we can just go back through and vacuum it so it's got the same texture everywhere. But you can see that the stain now is completely gone, and the shaving cream worked, and it's got a nice shaving cream smell to it, which is nice. Oh, that's nice. Okay, so you can do that. And also too, I've used this before, using shaving cream before, and then used a carpet spot cleaner as well to kind of suck everything up. So I've done that before too. I always try to work the shaving cream in really well with my fingers and that sort of thing, and then scrub a little bit with a toothbrush if I need to, if it's a deeper stain. And then if you use a carpet cleaner to kind of suck up all the shaving cream residue, it works really well as well. So that's it. This is a nice little carpet cleaning trick that we've always used in the past. And subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you next time.